If Google Chrome is printing too small on your PC, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end and learn how to solve it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. When you're trying to print from Google Chrome and the resulting print is too small, simply follow the solutions shown here to easily fix it. Before we get into the solution, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you're facing any issue while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. The issue occurs if the print scaling is not properly set on Chrome. Here is how you can set it. Open Chrome, browse to the page you want to print. Press the Ctrl+P keys to open the print preview of Chrome. Now the page you want to print should be on the left of the screen while the print options are on the right. Select the More Settings option. Now, next to the Scale option, click on the drop-down menu and select Custom. Now enter the number you want to set the scale at. As you increase or decrease the scale, the preview of the page on the left side will also change. This way, you can set the proper scaling that you want. Now, the printing should be of appropriate size, not too small or too big. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.